Did you know that the phenomenon of sun sneezing affects up to 35% of the population? Despite its prevalence, scientists are still puzzled by its cause. When exposed to bright light, many people experience sudden sneezing. This phenomenon, also known as the photic sneeze reflex, has intrigued researchers for decades. Some believe it's related to the way our nervous system processes light. Others think it may be linked to genetics. The mystery of sun sneezing continues to baffle scientists, leaving many questions unanswered.